Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. You got your favorite time of the week, the day.
My favorite.
Oh, your favorite time of the week, yeah. Yours too, right? This is Stager's Corner. I am your lovely host, David Cinelli. I'm a Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. And with me, always in body, not so much in spirit, is my wife, Natalie Cinelli.
I wonder why.
She is the co-owner of Spaces Collective. Yes. Hi. How you doing today?
Still tired.
Still tired. The magic of television. You haven't noticed from last week. We still have the same outfits on. There's a reason for that. Yeah, we try to record two of them in one shot because it's hard to nail her down. Anyway, Nat, okay. So, any kind of magazine or TV show or flipping HGTV show, let's call it, everyone talks about the two most important things to sell your house are always kitchens and bathrooms for renovation.
Yes, that's a totally different.
Totally different animal. So kitchens and bathrooms sell homes. Ish, right? For staging, what do you find that gets your most bang for your buck? What gives you more of the wow factor, I guess, of maybe you're looking for when it comes to staging?
Well, I don't think you asked the question in the right way.
What's the right question?
But I think this is where we're trying to go with this. What I'm trying to say is, obviously, we want the entire house to elicit an emotional response when a prospective buyer walks in. But your priority rooms are your main floor, and in your main floor, your living room, where your family's going to spend most of their time, and the principal bedroom. So if you have a smaller budget, maybe don't want to stage the entire house and you need to focus on particular rooms, we always recommend main floor and the primary or principal bedroom on the second floor. Many times the secondary or third or fourth bedrooms, if they're large enough to look at, I could fit a double bed in here, or I could picture my child in here, it's okay. Sometimes you get in these tricky, really small rooms where you really need to show them, so those would be the other instances where we would say, okay, main floor, primary, and then maybe this one little tricky room here so people can see what can actually fit in there and the size and scope of what belongs. Okay,
and this is a little off the cuff, we didn't discuss this. What about basements? Like I've seen a number of times, it's like, I've seen great things. I've seen finished basements empty and I like them. Sometimes I've seen them, having like a gym equipment or office. It's like, is there really a go-to that, or does it depend on project by project?
It depends project by project. And I would also say if it's a smaller home and you absolutely need the basement to be your second living room or your family room versus something more formal upstairs and you need to show those two living spaces, then absolutely. Or if you're tight on bedrooms on the second floor and you have a +1 in the basement, then go ahead. In a giant house and where it's just kind of that extra space, I don't think it's a requirement. Is it nice? Sure. But not a requirement.
Okay. You happy with that answer?
Yeah.
Is there anything else I need to ask or ask you the wrong way? Am I allowed to do any more off the cuff questions?
No.
I didn't think so. Are we ending Stager's Corner like this?
Yeah.
Okay. If somebody wants to get in touch with you, what's the best way for them to do so?
You can send us an email to hello@spacescollective.ca or at Instagram via DM at spaces.collective.
And if you want any questions for me, you can either DM me through my Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or I don't know, wherever you want to get in touch with me, call me, text me. We don't sleep anyway, so.
I do.
Yeah, she does. Yeah, she does. Anyway, thanks again. Love to have you here. Next week, we'll have a new topic, I guess. Hopefully not one.
Maybe an old one.
Maybe an old one. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. Bye.